Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular grooming kits, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer. In this video, we will examine their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the best fit for your grooming needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to price, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 is priced at $119 United States dollars, making it a premium option. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer offers a more budget-friendly price of just 52 United States dollars. This significant difference in price may influence your decision depending on your budget and grooming needs. Both grooming kits feature lithium-ion batteries, but the Braun offers a longer cordless runtime of 100 minutes compared to the 90 minutes provided by the SHPAVVER. This could be a deciding factor for users who prioritize longer usage without needing to recharge. In terms of versatility, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer comes with 17 attachments, providing a comprehensive solution for various grooming needs. On the other hand, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 includes 12 attachments. If you value having more options for styling and grooming, the SHPAVVER may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit Series 7 and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer offer unique advantages. The Braun excels in build quality and battery life, while the SHPAVVER provides excellent value with its extensive attachments and lower price. Consider your grooming needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.